Welcome to a reflection on the virtue of straightening the rows in prayer. In Sahih Muslim 432a, Abu Masud reported the Messenger of Allah's guidance on maintaining straight rows in prayer. The Prophet emphasized the importance of regularity and proximity to the Imam to avoid dissension in the hearts of the worshippers. The Messenger's words serve as a reminder for worshippers to strive for unity and order in prayer, reflecting the virtue of straightening the rows and the significance of the front row in congregational prayer. Abdullah bin Masud reported, "The Messenger of Allah said, 'Let those who are sedate and prudent be near me, then those who are next to them,' saying it Tliratinis, and beware of the tumult of the markets." Sahih Muslim 432c. Anas bin Malik reported, "The Messenger of Allah said, 'Straighten your rows, for the straightening of a row is a part of the perfection of prayer.'" Sahih Muslim 433. Anas bin Malik reported, "The Messenger of Allah said, 'Complete the rows, for I can see you behind my back.'" Sahih Muslim 434. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Flah Hadith Explained. Jazak Allah Khaira.